More marathon runners die from drinking too much water than from dehydration. A statistical fact the sports drink industry spent millions trying to bury. For decades, we were sold the idea that the human body is a leaky bucket that must remain full. This advice, largely funded by beverage giants like Gatorade in the 90s, led to a rise in hyponatremia, a condition where overdrinking dilutes your blood sodium levels, causing your brain to swell. While dehydration will just make you slow, overhydration can actually kill you. We need to stop treating our bodies like simple water tanks and start treating them like chemical processing plants. But here is the twist that ruins the drink early and often mantra. Dehydration is not the enemy you think it is. You've likely heard that losing 2% of your body weight ruins performance. That is a lab-based myth. In the real world, Haile Gebrselassie broke the marathon world record while losing nearly 10% of his body weight. Being lighter late in a race actually improves your power-to-weight ratio, provided your blood volume doesn't crash. So, should you just drink to thirst? In low-intensity training, yes, that system works perfectly. But in a race, the thirst signal has a biological lag time. By the time your brain screams, thirsty at mile 18, your gut has already stopped absorbing fluid efficiently due to blood shunting away from the stomach. Relying solely on thirst during high-intensity effort is a reactive strategy that virtually guarantees a crisis. To fix this, you must stop guessing and become your own lab rat. You need your specific hourly sweat rate. Do a 60-minute run at race pace. Weigh yourself naked before and after, and track exactly how much fluid you consumed. The math is simple, but most runners are too lazy to do it, leaving their race day performance to pure chance. However, knowing your sweat rate doesn't mean you replace 100% of it. That is a trap. Your stomach has a hard speed limit. Most humans can only process about 800 milliliters per hour, regardless of how much they sweat. If you sweat 1.5 liters but can only process 0.8 liters, drinking the full amount will result in vomiting, not hydration. You are managing a deficit, not preventing one. Here is the final protocol. For runs under 90 minutes, drink to thirst. For racing, target replacing 50% to 70% of your calculated sweat loss, capped at 800 milliliters per hour. If you finish with salt crust on your kit, add 500 milligrams of sodium per bottle. You are fueling the machine to finish, not trying to end the race at the same weight you started. Don't drown your engine. Calculate your rate and trust the math.